Hear the frogs. That is so awesome. Now you see, all the frogs are responding. Yeah, starting to rain now.